Welcome to Medical Tourism Facts. My name is Andres Jurado, and I want to talk today about plastic surgery, which is one of the most common and sought out specialties in medical tourism. The reason is because it's not covered by any insurance, patients got to pay out of pocket, and this makes it easier for them to look for options outside their home city, home state, or home country. Mexico has a special place in terms of plastic surgery worldwide. It's the second country with most procedures performed on a yearly basis, and we welcome patients from all over the world. I live in Cancun, which is a beautiful city on the southeast of Mexico. However, there are amazing options all throughout our territory, and even the border cities have amazing options as well. You just need to find them. Alongside with the research process, just like you might encounter at your home city, there's so many options, and there's some of course questions and interrogations. Is this doctor good? Is it real what they're telling me? How can you find out even outside of your country? Mexico, like I said, has a big participation in the worldwide market with plastic surgery, and they want to make sure, the authority wants to make sure that patients have available, updated, and official information. So that's why it's important to know that the process to become a plastic surgeon requires extensive training. And ultimately, for you, the easiest way to double check if they completed that training is if they show you two licenses. The first license is for general practitioner, and then the second license is the specialty license. This is the one that you have to be looking after, and the doctor shouldn't be very weary to send it to you, or they shouldn't hesitate to show them. Actually, a very good surgeon would be proud to show them to you. Now, not only is good that they have it, but they are updated. One doctor might have their plastic surgery license 20 years ago and never got updated, so that's also not a good option for you. Mexico makes this effort from the official councils, which are like government regulated, where they make it almost mandatory for practitioners to recertificate every 5 years. So the Mexican Council of Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery issues this certificate, and they also shouldn't be giving you any problem to show it to you. If they don't have it, that means that they have not kept themselves updated. There you can find some of the answers you want to know about your surgeon. And that being said, if you have a doctor who has done this strenuous training and has been concerned about becoming a real professional and keeping all of their information updated and their certifications ready to be shown because they have done that work, they're not so willingly to lose those efforts. So most likely the place where they recommend to have the surgery, whether it's an outpatient center or a hospital, it should be a good option. So that's kind of like the process. If my doctor is good enough and I have the receipts to show that he's good for, not only the before and after photos, testimonials from patients are very important as well. But also you can ask if you can contact a previous patient, especially in the medical tourism field. This is very popular, and again, experienced options will not hesitate to show you, okay, yeah, talk to this or that patient. Some of them can even share with you patients that live in your home state that have traveled to Mexico before. So it's about how you ask it and what you ask, how you're going to resolve this. And don't be afraid to do so. It's your right as a patient. And in Mexico, doctors don't take that as a bad sign, or they actually prefer that all the doctors that I've known, they prefer way more a patient that is concerned about her or his health, and they want to make sure that also they're following the right steps, which means most likely they'll follow the instructions. Most likely they'll understand better what it takes to complete this procedure and what to expect. And when that happens, great experiences are created, and patients, they really enjoy not only the doctors but also the rest of the staff treatment. When you have a dedicated team, definitely makes a whole lot of difference. Many patients have also always mentioned that their service is superior, their personalized attention is superior to what they get at home. And it's not other than the culture. The medical culture is different, in general the culture is different, and we have a different, less bureaucratic relationship with our doctors. It's important to understand that in Mexico we have the public healthcare system and then the private healthcare system, and medical tourism only functions within the private healthcare system, and that's why the level of attention creates an amazing experience. I hope this information is useful. I hope that it makes you make a more informed decision, and wait for the next video. We're going to talk more about plastic surgery, dentistry, bariatric surgery, and other specialties that are becoming more and more demanded by international patients, and how you can also achieve this without putting a lot of things at risk. And that's our main goal. So you are informed and you enjoy the benefits of medical tourism. Thanks again, and see you next time. Bye bye.